We're gonna start to talk about this new topic. There are too many effects in beings, shear forces and bending moments. These two effects produce two different types of stresses in the cross sections, yeah, of beings. The first stress is normal and directly proportionality on bending moment. The second is a shear stress and is directly dependent of the shear force. Determined beings. The several beings with different type of resistance and show its figure above, as these beings are respectively determined since the reaction can be determined or directly determined by the equation of static equilibrium. Besides the statically indeterminate beings, the figure below show beings with outer resistant condition, all of which have a less stress one more ratio than is strictly necessary for the support and are therefore statically indeterminate. The system of express reactions Mistal equilibrium equations are not sufficient for determining that basically the beating moment is a measure of the forces acting on a being or a structure that is subject to load and is defined to amount of a moment or forces applied to a being of a structure at a specific point to the produced being a deflection in the beam and is calculated by multiplying the force acting on the beam by the distance. Yes, basically this is calculated from the point of the application of the forces to the linear point of support the beam. Shear forces are really moment that it's forces acting simultaneously on the node cross section. Next is consider the beam on the direction of the load P as shown in all the figures, yeah, and is thrown to the transversal E or L located at distance x with respect to the left direction, and it's finally drawn the free body diagram of the cross section. So force and bending moment diagram. They are simply the graphical representation of the corresponding distribution drawn in the Vx and Mx coordinate axes in the system and they're usually placed below the load diagram. The maximum and minimal of the momentum diagram always correspond to section of zero constant forces and can be obtained be equal to zero and definity of analytical solution which is always the shear forces distribution. Remember that the concept precedence see in the class will be very helpful in design of structures during your professional practice. The producer scenes in a section will be used later to calculate the dimension of a beam or column. So I invite you to review or another videos that I have in my YouTube channel and look the reviews basically. Go to see the review of them and solve them completely. Goodbye and see you later in another topic. Bye bye.